Hello there, this has been Fornier. Here's for Mass Effect 2007 AD edition of Doom. We're in the Kepler Verge, and we looked at System Newton last time, so now on to whatever the other one is. I think there's only two there so far. Although with Garrus Row, there were only two until the third part of the mission for the Arachnite thing. So yeah, never know for certain whether it'll plop in another system that we can go to. I mean, there's plenty of stars, it's just a matter of can we go there? But yeah, that's the joy in life, right? So yeah, Kepler Verge, and we went to Newton, and there's nothing except Herschel. So here we are going to Herschel with the loading screen of the Normandy. At least it's not the Omaha. I don't know. Anyway. Looks like there's the MSV Fidele. But yeah, Herschel, Herschel. After a famous scientist, of course. So let's see. Tungel, whatever, is a massive terrestrial world nearly twice the size of Earth with a dense atmosphere of nitrogen and methane. Its scorching hot surface is mainly composed of iron with extensive deposits of heavy metals and radioactives. It is a mineralogical treasure trove, and many corporations are lobbying for mining rights of Doom. Orbital period, 85.8 Earth years. Radius, 11,539 kilometers. Day length, 42.4 Earth hours. Atmospheric pressure, 2.0 Earth atmospheres. So like 32 feet underwater here. Surface temperature, 242 Celsius. And surface gravity, 1.9 G. So everything weighs double as well. Wonderful. So that's the first one. And let's see here. Matol. I don't know who that's a reference to, but anyway, several attempts to chart Matol have been made, but none have been successful. Like trying to make it work on YouTube. By normal standards for a small rock planet, Matol has a dense atmosphere composed of carbon dioxide and argon, with a surprising amount of water vapor. Fogs and rains are common on the barren, lifeless surface of Doom. Matol is pleasant enough to be considered a terraforming prospect, though its low mass and high radiation of the energetic blue star Herschel place it fairly down on the list. Orbital period, 207.3 Earth years. Radius, 4,077 kilometers. Day length, 34.6 Earth hours. Atmospheric pressure, 0.49 Earth atmospheres. Surface temperature, 33 Celsius, only 10 more than Earth average surface temperature, that is. Surface gravity, 0.5 G. And let's see here. Next is this world, Klugan, whatever's hydrogen helium atmosphere is a fairly dramatic emerald tint by chlorine and ionized gases. It has nearly 100 moons of Doom. Orbital period 1013.7.71 or 0.7.1 it's technically, but I don't get, so probably 0.71 Earth years. And then radius 17,988 kilometers. Day length 19.2 Earth hours. Someone was tired when they wrote that, I guess. Yeah, we can go to the MSV Fidele, right? We can board it, okay. The Fidele is a Kowloon-class modular conveyor of human design. In addition to the standard cargo bay, the hull has several biological research modules attached. Registry, private owner, Dr. R. Hart. Yeah, this is where we did Garrus's mission. So yeah, that was that already. Don't care to go there again unless we want to check and see if I got anything else. Here's an unknown. We found an asteroid in the asteroid belt. It's a rocky asteroid, and we can survey it. Woo, 118 kilometers of Doom. And we found a large deposit of platinum. Yay, now we can afford to buy food. Alright, and Klobaka. Not Simbaka the cat, which there are, Simbaka Life has lots of silly cat videos with an actual cat doing silly cat things. But anyway, Klobaka here is a moderately sized terrestrial world with a hazy hydrocarbon atmosphere. Its surface is mainly composed of chlorides with deposits of solid and liquid form hydrocarbons. Orbital period 2052.3 Earth years. Radius 80 8,198 kilometers, or 8,198 kilometers, or 8.198 megameters. Whatever. Or 0.008198 gigameters. Whatever you like for all that prefix stuff. Day length 59.7 Earth hours. Atmospheric pressure 0.18 Earth atmospheres. Surface temperature 7 Celsius. Particularly average, of course. Surface gravity 0.88 G. Venetian for the gravity. But okay, so if we want to board this, let's see if we have anything else to gather there. We had to take Garrus last time, so let's take Liara this time, along with Ashley. I'm always taking Ashley. Whenever it's like you romance someone, you bring them along with you all the time. At least that's what I do. And you could always bring random characters, but yeah, whatever though. Onward to the joy of looking around, seeing if there was anything that was out of range to the crypt before. Doesn't look like anything's in this little bay of useless space. It's a terrible waste of space. What would Carl Sagan say? Because it looks like such a terrible waste of space, and that's all that matters, is it's a terrible waste of space. A terrible waste of space. A terrible waste of space. Such a terrible waste of space. Only 3 stars. Look, a fusion containment cell. Ooh, in a video game. Well, nothing here so far. This is where all the husks from the Dr. Hart thing would have been, well, did mess with us last time we were here. But yeah, looks like a whole bunch of nothing at the moment. A whole bunch of nothing. Like the results of all my efforts on trying to do anything in this life. Yay! Anyway, sorry I'm so depressing and lame. You know what's also so depressing? A can crusher. Those are actually kind of cool for being so depressing. Just you use them for empty cans. I'm sure you could try to use them on a full can, but that would just be a mess if it didn't break. Like a metal one you probably could, a plastic one not as much. Or you might make it work partially for one time. Yeah, looks like we have precisely nothing to do here. Aside from look around and see nothing. Lots and lots of nothing. What's in the box? Nothing! You're so stupid! Supplies! Anyway, UHF. We've got it all on UHF. It's a movie. Yeah, she should have stuck with the fish. Oh well. Onward, back to the Normandy of Doom. The Normandy of Reaper's Doom, particularly. Or it will be eventually. So yeah, this was System Herschel in the Kepler Verge so far. And that would be it for today, I guess. Let's save just to be safe. 409, oh, well, 309. But anyway, now it's 411 and 410. Anyway, there we go. There we go again, extra crispy. Anyway, take care. And try to not go crazy.